I really appreciate the opportunity to be here and just take part in a project like the MOOC. I have to say it's quite a new experience to really be part of something like that and not just getting told what I study and like learning by hearing. So this time it's learning by doing, and it's pretty cool.
So it's been really nice to feel like you're a part of it and you're not just a student sitting typing and taking notes for the classes.
It's very interesting to see how other students around Europe study and how their learning methods can actually reflect on ours to see how we can improve it.
In history, in my courses, we have to study from ancient Greece to modern and contemporary history. So that's nice to focus on one time in history.
I traveled down here because I wanted to learn more about the classical art, like all the art and the Roman history and the Franks' old history, of course. And coming down here and seeing all the buildings in a kind of classical way they are built is just really big. It's really great for me because you don't really get that much in Scandinavia.
So it's the fourth day. Students are more confident now. We are more active, so working in project groups with other students and about a special topic. And it's a good thing because we are thinking about ideas for the assignment and for the MOOC. So teachers and students are really working hand in hand together to create that massive online open course.